just like that.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day and wait.
So this wig is from Shine Hair. Came in this box. Wig is in here, kept in this bag. The wig came with a clip, pair of lashes, wig cap. So this is the wig in here. The wig is 20 inches. There is a net on it. So the hair is coily wave, V part. See, it's V part wig. The density is 250 density. See, it came with clips. It's clip in. You see, you clip this to your hair, just like that. See that? So I'm going to show you guys. Very easy to install this wig. I like the colors and the quality of the hair. Wow. So I don't know if I should wet it. Should I wet it? No much work needed. So inside also there is inbuilt strap, which is this one right here, and there's another strap also, which means it came with two. This will enable the wig to really secure to your head. Okay, and at the back there is a comb that came with it. You can see the comb. There are combs by the side as well. See, here there are two combs here, one here, one here. Guys, the first thing to start with, I want to wet the hair, then apply cream on it. Oh, you see the coils? This is so gorgeous. You can as well wear the hair like this without wetting it or without adding cream, but I just want to add cream to it. You see, the more I comb it, the fuller it becomes, and it becomes longer. You can see how the coils are defining. So I'm going to add cream to it. So I'll use this cream on it. This is contour shea butter. This contour butter cream for curly hair, because when you apply it on the hair, the way it defines the hair is just amazing. So amazing. So I'll trim from the under. Let me show you guys. So I'll trim from the under, the ones that are too long. So guys, this is my hair. I want a lower part, since the front of my hair is not so good, so I will do a lower part. So I'll put my part in here, because this side of my hair, you can see I don't have hair here. That is why I need to put the part here. This Garnier fruit mask. It hydrates your hair. It's hair food. So I'm going to apply this on my hair, my natural hair. This is what I use for my hair that is growing, my hair that is damaged. It's really working for me. I use this one. I use another one too, another type too. About this hair mask, you don't wash it away, you just leave it on your head, like on your hair like that. So I'll wear so I'll first of all take the comb. And I'll put this. Then I'll bring this. I'm going to put this here. I'll bring this other one. Take it closer. Open it. Then I'll bring this one. Open it, and I'm going to place it here. So now I'm going to take my hair. I'll share my hair. I want center part. I want the party. So guys, I'll use small gel. With my hair. But I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay. Tuesday, I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up to the last. So guys, that's it for this hair tutorial, this hair review. The wig is from Shine Hair, 250 density, 20 inches, and it's V-part wig. Okay, you just clip it on and you're good to go. You don't have to do any other work. You guys saw that even with my damaged hair, I was able to put it by the side. You can fix it by the corner, in center, whatever side you want that pleases you, you can do that with it. You can just play with this wig. You guys saw that I added cream and water to it. Okay, I like the way it's really puffy this way, and it's gorgeous. So the link will be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on the subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.